In this video, we are going to see how to use Google Drive API, upload the files on Google Drive using Golang. And then we will see why we need service account and how to use it. So let's start. First, go to developer.google.drive API. Go we start. So first we need the secret key. So go to console.developer.com. Go to credentials. If you don't have created project, create a new project from here. I have already created. So create new auth client ID. We'll use other. Give the name. So here the client ID and secret is created. So you can download from here. So it will look like this. So I'm copying this credential. I already created a file, so I'm pasting here. So here is the code how to upload using Golang. So we will start from main. So here is the sample text file, just a simple text. Then we will get the drive service. So here is we are reading the credential JSON which we are downloaded. Then we will get the client. It will read the token. First time we need the authentications, so it will, after the authentication, it will generate the token.json. And second time we don't need to again and again authorize. So next time it will read from the saved token. So we will go again to main. If you want to create a new directory, you can uncomment it and use it. I'm going to upload in the already created folder. I have created the drive API and copied its ID and given here. After that we will call the create file function, in which the file will upload. So let's check. So here he is saying go to this URL. Click on advanced, go to quick save, allow the permissions. Here is the code is generated, so copy it go to the command prompt and paste here. Here is the token.json is created, you can see, and the file is uploaded. We'll see here the sample text is uploaded. So to upload the file on the drive, so we need to follow these steps. And so here we will see why we need the service account and how to use it. For this we will need a different account. So create a service account, go to again credential, you will see the service account here. Create a new service account, give the whatever name you want. Select the role as a project owner. Then create a key. So it will ask for JSON or PIT-file. So download, click on JSON and create a key. It will download a new file. Click on done. So it will look like this. So I have already created the client JSON file. I'm just pasting here. Then we will see how to use service account. So why we need, so as you seen here, we need to go to this URL and allow the permissions, get the code, authorization code, and paste here. So to skip these steps when you want to communicate with server to server and don't you want user intervention. So in this case you can use the service account. So if we have created the service account, downloaded the file, so here is a little bit modification in the code. Here is a token generated using this client email. Here is the new client email we got for the service account, and the private key. This is our private key. So it will generate a token, send to the Google URL, and it will allow us to upload the file. So let's check it is working or not. We will run this file. So here is an error occurred because we have given this folder and is not getting this folder because of when we use the service account, it will not uploaded on our personal account. It give us a new email ID and it create a new account and uploaded on that account. So if you want to see those, and if you want to see those files, you need to share this folder with the email you have got to this account. To share, here we are uploading the text file. This text file. Let's again try. See, test.txt is uploaded. It will give the file id, and let's see here is uploaded or not. See, test.txt uploaded. So here we have seen why we need the service account. To skip this authorization, go to the URL and paste here. To skip this step, uh, we need the service account. I will give the code in the description. You can go to that, you can go there and find, you will get the code. Thank you.